Hello, good day. My name is Arjel June, 35 years old, single. I am a licensed professional teacher. About my work experiences, I became a public school elementary teacher at Malasya, Huyungan Elementary School for almost 10 years. I have taught multiple subjects including English, Math, Science, Filipino, Values Education, and others from kindergarten to grade 6 in multi-grade classroom setting. These experiences has allowed me to develop skills in managing group learnings, hands-on, training, and customized teaching approaches tailored to each learner's levels and goals. I always strive to make my classes engaging, relaxing, and comfortable to maximize learning. In addition to my experience in the public school system, I work for nearly 2 years at iLearn Tutorial Center where I taught Filipino, English, Math, Science, and Arts. Before becoming a licensed teacher, I also worked as tutor and assisted with the household tasks. This background has given me valuable experiences in working with children in the various settings. Proficient in teaching, reading, and writing, particularly in English, as well as foundation math skills. I am also computer literate, possess strong communication skills, both spoken and written, have experience in leadership roles. To my future employer, I am capable to be hired because I can contribute positively to your household by both tutoring children in all subjects and doing household chores. Teaching children is a passion of mine, and I believe that my efforts will provide them with essential knowledge and skills for their future. I am very trustworthiness, diligent, humble, and solution-oriented, and committed to making a positive impact in every role. I am very excited to work with you. I hope you like me because to work as a private tutor in Hong Kong is a dream come true. For me, my God blessing protection comes true. I hope this dream be realized.